Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe's Barbecue. So what do you do with your Thanksgiving Day leftovers? You make sandwiches, of course, and I'll show you how. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got my Thanksgiving Day leftovers. I've got some smoked turkey, I've got some stuffing, I've got some cranberry sauce, and I've got some ciabatta bread here. So I'm gonna show you how I make my absolute favorite turkey sandwich. I've got some toasted ciabatta bread. Just gonna put some mayo on the bottom side of it only. Put enough of this mayo, because we're not gonna put mayo on the top, so you wanna put enough mayo on the bottom. If you don't like mayo, just leave it out. Okay, just like that. The star of the show is a smoked turkey. So we're gonna put the turkey in there. Just layer it on there. And this is a turkey sandwich, so make sure we put enough turkey on there as well. Look at that. Look at that big piece right there. All right, so got your turkey. Next, we're going to grab some leftover stuffing. And I found that the best way to warm up your turkey, or reheat it anyway, is just in the microwave. I think if you put it in a pan, it's really going to dry it out. So I just like to warm up my turkey, leftover turkey, in the microwave. I found that that's the best way, and it does keep it a little bit moist. So after that, move this over here. Load it up with cranberry sauce. Just like that. Look at that. If you don't like cranberry sauce, that's fine, leave it out. You can even put gravy, leftover gravy on this. Maybe leave out the cranberry sauce and put some gravy. Next, top it off, just like that. And there you have it, that simple. The world's easiest turkey sandwich, really tasty. I'm gonna back the camera up and give it a taste. Stay tuned. All right, let's give this Thanksgiving Day leftover turkey sandwich a taste. Look at this. Nice and hot, toasty bun. Got the smoked turkey dropping all over the place here. It's okay. Cheers. Here we go. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. I like to call this my all-in-one because everything is in that sandwich. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Ask me any questions. Till next time, Joe, Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See ya.